vacuum flask is a typical example of using the design in order to reduce the heat transfer through different processes so that it can keep the food inside either cold or hot. So let's take a look at the structure of a typical vacuum flask. Firstly, it's just a double-glassed wall with the vacuum between. So that it can prevent the heat transfer through conduction and convection. Since you should be reminded that the conduction and convection are required in medium to transfer. And the other design is the silver-plated inner lining for the double-glassed wall. Because of the silver-plated inner lining, the heat through radiation will be reflected, so that the heat cannot be transferred through radiation effectively. And then we will add the stopper on the top with plastic or wood, which can also reduce the heat transfer through conduction, convection, and even evaporation. The last is the plastic or wooden stand at the bottom, so that the inner lining will not touch the outside of the vacuum flask, so that it can transfer with conduction can also be reduced. So this example, let's see, can you able to choose the correct answer about the vacuum flask? The first statement is correct because it's printed in silvery in order to prevent the heat loss through radiation, and the stopper can help to prevent conduction and convection. However, the vacuum in between the double-glassed wall cannot reduce the heat loss by radiation. Only the silver-plated inner lining can help to reduce the heat loss by radiation, as you should know that radiation can be transferred through vacuum.